Hey everyone, today I will show you how to fix Telegram bot not working, and here's how it is done. Step 1. Clear the Telegram app cache. Open the Telegram app. Launch Telegram on your device, Android, iPhone, or other platforms. Access settings. Tap on the three-line menu hamburger icon in the top left corner. Go to settings from the menu. Navigate to storage and cache. Look for the storage and cache option in the settings. Clear the cache. Tap on Clear Cache or Clear Telegram Cache. Confirm the action to proceed with clearing the cache. Restart the Telegram app. Close the app completely and then relaunch it to see if the bot issue is resolved. Additional tips: check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable connection. Update Telegram. Ensure the app is updated to the latest version. Reboot your device. Sometimes restarting your phone can help resolve app related issues. And that is everything you need to know about how to fix Telegram bot not working. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.